Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from Malaysia. This is one of 3 boxes that came from Mamee Shinsegae out of Malaysia, and I'm going to do one, I think, for each one of the boxes, so stay tuned and see what's inside. So let's crack this one open and get things started. Oh, wow. Folks, if I have 3 boxes like this one, I am in heaven. So let's just start looking at this stuff. All right, so you might be familiar with Dai Bak. There's the Dai Bak ghost pepper noodle, and this is a Dai Bak seaweed noodle. As you can see, there's some Korean here. Shinsegae is more of a Korean company, and Mamee Chef is or Mamee Double Decker rather, is a Malaysian company. So wow, this is a score, thank you. And here's one that's been on my top 10 Malaysian list and other lists for a long time. This is Parisa Laksa Kari. This is the Mamee Chef one that comes with tofu puff, and it's absolutely sensational stuff. Cool. And here is a pack version of the one that started it all. This is the ghost pepper noodle. I don't know if these noodles are going to be black like the ones in the cups, but I guess we'll see. It's cool. I've got some mukbang to do here. And this one I've wanted to review again for so long. Thank you very much. This is their lontong. And basically lontong is just pressed rice. That is kind of like a rice cake, but a little different. Well, the deal is that's obviously not going to have any flavor, but the sauce they put on that does, and this emulates that flavor. And the last time I had this, it was absolutely sensational, so I'm really looking forward to have this again. I think it's been like 5 or almost 10 years. And finally, this is a new variety from Mamee Chef. This is a mee goreng, and this is not just a mee goreng, it's rendang. So this will be cool. And what's funny is a long time ago, they sent me some noodles that came with a little plate that said Mamee Chef on it. And I think that's how I'm going to present these. So I'm really excited and can't wait to use that. It's been in our cupboard for years. But yeah, cool. Well, check that out, folks. I am absolutely thrilled. And this is the first of 3 boxes I've opened. This is really neat. Wow. Thank you to the folks over at Mamee, Shinsegae, Double Decker, all of that. I really appreciate it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.